Hello and welcome to another video of Excel Academy. In this video, it is especially for CS professional students. We will learn how to get 60+ in drafting, pleadings and appearances. Now, first thing is, why do we have this subject? See, many students tell, sir, this is LLB subject. Why should we even study it? See, the logic is very simple. A company secretary is a corporate lawyer. You need to understand that. Don't think yourself as only a company secretary doing compliance. You're a corporate lawyer. Companies are dependent on your opinion on corporate law matters. So you have to know all the things about draftings, pleadings and appearances. So primarily, what do we study in this particular subject? How to draft legal documents. That is the basic concept. Now, what is the objective of this subject? Why do we have this subject? This subject, which ICSI has given you in professional, they're telling, we want to make you an expert. Expert of what? Expert of drafting, documentation, and also the advocacy techniques. That is, when you go and appear before what we can say as NCLT or any other tribunals, they want to make you an expert on all these matters. Just look at the first page. We never look at this. If you see here, they're telling to provide expert knowledge. This is the objective of this subject, which is there for 100 marks. To provide expert knowledge, you have to become expert in drafting, documentation and advocacy techniques. Once you know this, you please keep these three things in mind. Whatever is there in the question paper, they are trying to test. Do you know to draft? Do you know to do the documentation? And do you know the principles of how to appear in a court, what you should plead, how do you argue, what should be in your plain and written statement? Everything you need to know, and that is what they're testing. Very, very simple. If you think of these 3 points, everything in your question paper is related to these 3 things and nothing else, because that is the objective of ICSI. Always go to the basics. Now, how to learn all the concepts and score 60+ marks? See, first we should know some problems, or what we can call as some of the elementary things which you should know. See, for this paper in CS Professional, many students are struggling. Many students are struggling. You should know the basic concepts of drafting. So always concentrate there. Then you should know how to draft. That means how much to write. Some students tell, sir, the exam, the question will be 8 marks. But in the book, we have 25 points in that draft. How much should we write? I'll tell you the answers, but first these are the questions. Every student is asking what exactly we should write. What exactly we should write for direct questions. There are a lot of direct questions, whether it is 4 marks, whether it is 5 marks, whether it is 3 marks. What should we write for these direct questions? Which exact portion of the study material should we write? Then how do we answer the questions which are with statements? They'll give one statement, okay? They will say that arbitration is the best method in a court scenario when the dispute is not solving. Explain. So what exactly should we write? The question which every student is asking, what exactly we should write, because when we look at the study material, there is so many things, but which exact portion should we write? Of course, we'll come to the answer. So in general, what we are understanding is that when I spoke to a lot of students of CS Professional, they all have one common main problem. One common main problem. And what is that main problem? The main problem is they are not able to connect. They are not able to connect the question to the exact concept in the book. What is the question? And what is the exact concept that I need to write for that particular question? This is troubling students. What is the question and what is the exact concept to write? What is the exact concept? So now, these are the general principles. If you follow this, if there is a very, very big if you follow this, definitely you will be able to score 60+. There are many students who have followed this. This is not something very, very difficult, but again, you must do it. It is all about doing it. You need to do and practice. You need to implement. You need to execute this plan. If you execute, you will get the results. Use the study material. This is what I can confidently tell for drafting. Please use only the study material. Don't use any other book. For other subjects in professional, I may give you different advice. But for drafting, please use only the study material, because all questions, I'm telling you, all questions are coming only from this book. So that is common sense. Make short notes for every lesson. You may think we don't have enough time. No, at least for the important chapters, please make short notes in your own words. That is what is going to come to your mind in the exam hall. That is what is going to come to your mind in exam hall when you get a question. Then in drafting, see, the questions don't repeat, but concepts repeat in the question paper. Concepts are repeating. Yes, definitely concepts are repeating, and you need to know the concepts very well. So old question paper analysis is very important. End of this video, I'll tell you how we can help you and how we can help you analyze all the old question papers. So basically we can save your time in this particular point number 3. Point number 4, to get 60 plus, please write the full draft in your own words. Do not memorize. Many students memorize and they just cut, copy, paste in the exam. And I have heard people who correct papers, they're telling, if they cut, copy, paste, we do not give marks. So even if it is 8 marks, they may give you 4 or they may give you 3. They will not give you 6 marks. You have to write in your own words. Please understand that tomorrow you are becoming a company secretary. And why are you learning drafting? We already understood, right? To become an expert in all the matters of whether it is drafting or documentation, or you may be appearing in SAT, you may be appearing in tribunals, NCLT, or the government authorities. You're representing your company or client in so many matters, in so many places, and you're drafting so many things, whether it is shareholder agreement, contracts. There are so many things you're doing in real life. So please don't memorize things. Write in your own words. This is the time to learn, and you will get more marks by this. Now, one more thing, instead of memorizing, understand the principles of what is the structure of a draft. What is the purpose of the draft? What is the format? Don't memorize the format. If you know the principles, like what will be in an arbitration agreement, what will be in a contract for sale of goods, what will be in a contract between the director and the company when the director is appointed as whole-time director. So for each of the drafts, please know the principles. If you know the principles, that is what we are trying to learn here, because the scenario of each particular case, each particular scenario will keep changing as you work as a company secretary tomorrow. But we are trying to understand the principles. So don't memorize. You never have to memorize if you know what is the structure and principles of every draft. Definitely you'll get above 60. And please draft in your mind before you draft on paper. What is that? Draft in your mind before you draft on paper. That means plan the draft. When you see the question, or when you're studying, not only question paper, when you're studying, just plan in your mind what will be your draft and then start. Don't simply start writing immediately. Then I know this is a simple point. You're in CS professional. You may be thinking, why am I talking about these things? But this is crucial. Your English grammar does make a difference, because the wrong usage of grammar may give a new meaning or may also give a wrong meaning to that particular sentence. So just make sure that you brush up on your English grammar. You can have so many online workbooks, online tests are there, and most of it is free. You can just Google it. There's nothing great. You can just Google it, and then you can definitely brush up on your English grammar. That will help you to get 60. Most of these are simple points, but this is what, if you follow, again I'm telling, if you follow, you will get above 60. Use flowcharts for the questions where they're asking direct questions or even with a statement. See, in the drafting paper, broadly, they ask you to draft some particular contracts or agreements, or they ask you the principles of drafting. This is what we call direct questions, or questions where you are also having the statement and they ask you to explain. So use like this flowchart. So whatever is the concept, then below that you draw 2 or 3 arrow, whatever is that particular answer. present like this. Not for every answer, but at least for few, definitely you'll do well. Now that I've told you all the 8 points, now how can we help you? See, till now I'm sure you got very good tips in this video, and if you follow this, you'll get the results. But if you want little bit more help, what we can do is we can shorten your learning curve. So basically, this learning takes time, correct? So from here, you're somewhere here, and you need to go all the way to here to become perfect in drafting. So this takes some time, but if you take help of a teacher, you will be able to do very well. So if you want the full revision of drafting, so we have the full revision of drafting, complete revision of drafting. We have a course, and also it is priced very, very little, less than 300 rupees. So you can consider that particular course. So you can just go to our website, or you can go to our Android app, that is Excel Academy Online. All the links are in the description. So you can go to the description of this video. We'll show you all the links. And the best part about this course, I would like to just share with you, because many students have taken this course and they've got above 60. This is your chance. And we have a very limited offer where the course is just rupees 297. Please make sure you get the best use of it. So revision of entire syllabus, we have entire syllabus which is revised, and CS Professional, we have the analysis of past question paper. So whatever I told you, right? I told you that you need to make sure that you're getting all these 8 points right, correct? To get all these 8 points right, you have to be very, very perfect with the old question papers. And in old question paper also, mainly connecting the question with the answer. This is where the students are finding the problem. And in this course, whoever has taken this course, they have all been very happy with this course. And what they have told us is that we are getting very, very clear with all the concepts. So we have tips to write the answer. All the old question papers are analyzed. Then you will save a lot of time. And this is the perfect guidance for you to score above 60. Now, just to give you an idea, so we have some students who have given some feedback who have taken this course earlier. This drafting course changed my confidence. I got 62 marks thanks to this course. That really speaks a lot. The teacher has covered the old question paper and exactly what to write. So this has helped me a lot. The best way to revise drafting, I highly recommend this course. So these are some of the things which the students have been telling. And most importantly, faculty CS Pooja, she herself has got 60 plus in drafting, and that is the tips which she will be sharing. Also, we have one free video. So even that free video, you can go to the description and you can watch that entire free video. So totally there are 11 videos. So we have 11 videos in this course. The first video is free. You can watch that video, and if you are happy with that video, then you can definitely go for this. So if you want to score 60 plus in drafting, we have the entire revision with 11 powerful videos. Please make sure that you use these 11 powerful videos. We have all the links in the description, and we are always there to help you. And if you are not interested, please don't worry, but at least use the tips which we tell you. But going by the feedback which students have told, and they have really scored well, I would highly recommend. So I would highly recommend, and I would encourage you to take this course and also reduce your learning curve. So save the time. Save the time by taking these 11 videos and make sure that you get 60 plus in drafting. Even now you have time. If you put in the efforts, you will get 60 plus marks in drafting. And for anything else, please do subscribe to Excel Academy. We are always there to help you for your company secretary course.